Let's have a comparison between Fedora versus Bazzite. Which Linux distro is better for gaming and daily use? So first we have Fedora. It's for general purpose Linux distro backed by the Fedora project. It is modern, stable, and flexible, which is suitable for everyday use, development, and gaming with some setup. It has standard Fedora workstation, which uses RPM or DNF for package management. And it's not gaming focused out of the box. You install Steam or other drivers manually. It's very stable and customizable for daily tasks and productivity, and it's also best for developers, power users, daily use, work, programming, multimedia, and people who want full control over the system. Next, we have Bazzite. Bazzite is a Fedora-based gaming distro with a SteamOS-style experience built in, which is designed to be out of the box, ready for gaming. Steam, Proton tools, and controllers supported immediately. It uses an immutable image model like Fedora Silverblue with transactional updates and rollback. It's best for gamers who want no-fuss setup and people with handheld PCs like Steam Deck or ROG. For daily use and productivity, Fedora wins for daily use flexibility and work tasks. So for a quick summary, you can use Bazzite if you want gaming first and easy setup. And you can choose Fedora if you want daily use plus flexibility and traditional Linux. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.